my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, first off, welcome and please subscribe. So today's video I'll be doing a sleek low bun on my nappy ass hair. I've done this before but it did not turn out how I wanted it to, so I'm doing it again for y'all so you can see how I slick this down. How I slick it down. Okay, so if you guys enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, make sure you comment, and be sure to subscribe before you leave this channel. Okay, so these are the products and tools that I'm going to be using to achieve my sleek low ponytail puff. Call it whatever you want to call it. So I already sectioned off my hair and I sprayed it with just water, nothing else, because I did not want much products on my hair, and the water made my hair really soft. So I went ahead and add my gel all over my hair, especially between my hair, because I kind of wanted a really slick back look and I didn't want any lumps or bumps in my hair. So after adding the gel to each and every strand of hair, I detangled it with my tangle teaser. I then followed with a brush just to make sure everything is smooth and in place, and I just put it up in a elastic band. So I basically repeated this whole entire process to each and every section of my hair. So like water to soften my hair, detangle just to get rid of every knots and tangles, apply your gel to smooth everything, and detangle some more, as well as brush to make sure everything is smooth and in place, and you just put it up in a elastic band. So I'm gonna stop talking now because I think you guys get the gist of what I'm doing, how I apply my gel and everything. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel though. Like, if you're already this far into the video, just subscribe, okay? Thank you. So after I was done with everything, I added some got-to-be glue gel as well as the spray to make sure that my hair was sleek and in place, and to get rid of any flyaways. So my hair wasn't like 100% dry. I had to leave, so I kept the tie on for about 6 hours. I guess that's why you're seeing the white cast on my hair, but all of that disappeared while I was out, so you don't have to worry if you see any white stuff in your hair, or you can just pass some like oil on it, and that's what I did. So I went ahead and add my afro puff whatever. It's my first time using that, by the way. I bought it from a local beauty supply store since whenever, and I've never used it until now, but I guess you can get yours on Amazon or your nearest local store. And this is the closest one I could get to my hair texture. So my beautiful people, this is the end result of my sleek low ponytail puff, whatever. Let me know if you're feeling this look in the comment, because I really was feeling this look. Like, do you see how I look, y'all? But yeah, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to leave a comment though. Like, let me know how you're feeling this look. Okay, so bye now.